This is not just another AI chatbot. It's a human-like sales agent. As you can already see on your screen, it's working completely live. Customers are asking about products, sharing their budgets, comparing different options, and asking for the recommendations. And the AI assistant is replying instantly, just like an experienced sales representative. It doesn't send generic replies. It understands what the customer is actually looking for, analyzes their requirements, and recommends the most suitable product based on their conversation. And you know what is the most interesting part? Is every response is generated by using my own business knowledge base. That means instead of giving random AI answers, it only responds using the information that I have trained it with. This makes the replies more accurate, more relevant, and much more helpful for your customers. And you know what's even better? That is, I built this complete human-like sales agent without writing a single line of code. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to build the same AI sales agent step by step. But before we start building, let me quickly introduce you to the platform that makes all this possible. That is Pabbly Chatflow. See, Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation platform that allows you to build AI assistants, human-like sales agents, broadcast campaigns, automated chatbots, and much more without any coding. For today's tutorial, we'll use its AI assistant feature to build a sales agent that can understand customer requirements, recommend products, compare different options, and answer questions naturally using your business knowledge base. You don't need to write hundreds of replies manually. Simply upload your business knowledge base, configure your AI assistant, and start responding to your customers automatically. And yes, you can build this exact human-like sales agent along with me using Pabbly Chatflow free trial. After trying the tool, if you find it useful and creates a mind to purchase its subscription plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's start the creation of this AI assistant. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add WhatsApp number in Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow. As in this tutorial, we are going to create an AI assistant. So for that, I am directly going in this AI assistant feature. See, this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you will understand how to create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. For creating a new AI assistant, you need to click on this plus add AI assistant button. After that, give your assistant a descriptive name that I'll enter as sales representative AI assistant. Next, I'll click on this button and see our AI assistant is created successfully. Now, this right here is the most important step of doing the setup of your AI assistant, where at first you need to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. Here I am going to select an AI agent, and as soon as I have selected the instructions type here, it will automatically generate all the instructions in this field. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your customers. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can also customize these rules if you want to. After the temperature, temperature controls the creativity level of AI responses, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Next, you need to select the AI model provider that I am selecting as OpenAI. After that, select the model variant that I am selecting as GPT-4o mini. You will find out multiple types of OpenAI model variant. You can select it according to your own choice. Moving forward to the API key. See, for getting this API key, you need to go towards your OpenAI API keys page. After that, just click on this plus create new secret key button. Next, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Select the project from here, provide the permission, and click on this create secret key button. And this is how easily you can generate an API key. I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. Now I am simply copying this API key from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, I'll click on this connect button and see it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the AI assistant settings with multiple options. If you want to add any header or footer, then you can enable this toggle and enter the message here. I'm not adding. If you want to add any stop keywords, then you can enter the stop keywords here. See, stop keywords works like this. For example, here I have entered the stop keyword as stop, and the customer will send exact that keyword while communicating with my AI assistant on WhatsApp. Then my assistant will become stop, and on that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. I am not adding any stop keywords too. After that, the retry attempts. Retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your users. If something goes wrong, you can increase it till 10. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to your customer if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or in connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to your customers for the better conversation. Here I have entered this fallback message, but you can change it completely based on your company, organization, or the business. Now comes to the most important part of doing the setup of your AI assistant, that is knowledge source. Now what is knowledge source? Where you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for your AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant provide business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. In this tutorial, I am going to create an AI assistant for electronic stores businesses completely example. So for that, I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like, and the goal of this AI assistant is to help customers choose the right electronic products based on their needs. You have to make sure that the knowledge base file will contains all the information related to your business. It works like a brain for your AI assistant, and it plays a most important role. So create it accordingly. For creating a knowledge base file, you can use Google Docs or any other application by the help of which you can create a PDF or the text formatted file, and the file size should be less than 90 MB, and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. Now for uploading a knowledge base file, you need to click on this option, click on this add new file, and upload the file from your gallery. Here I have uploaded. Now I'm selecting the same knowledge base file from here and clicking on this insert button, and see our knowledge base file is successfully uploaded. Now comes to the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I'm going to replace the heading with Tech Hub Electronics, and you can see as soon as I have make any changes in this field, it will automatically change here too. So basically this is the final look of the assistant that is going to be visible in front of your customers. After that, I'm going to replace the subheading with Get Instant Product Recommendations and Deals. Also the initial message as well. Here I have successfully set it. Moving forward to the label that is powered by Pabbly. You can disable it from here if you want to, and I add only one initial message, but you can add two. After that, I have entered the footer text, footer link, and the user first message as well. You can change it and customize it based on your own businesses. After that, the styling. Here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, I'm enabling this toggle and clicking on the Save AI Assistant button. So that's it. You have successfully learned how to create a human-like sales assistant without any coding. And this is just one example. By doing the same step, you can customize this AI assistant based on your own business use case. The steps are almost similar. You need to understand the logic only. And you can also access this AI assistant inside your websites as well. Yes, you heard right. So to do this, you need to click on this embed option and it will provide you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy this code from here and paste it inside your websites. And this AI assistant is going to be accessible inside your websites as well. So this is how interesting it is. After completely doing this setup, you need to click on the settings option and go inside this inbox settings. Now I'm going to set the AI assistant to all of my contacts. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow, where you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle and select the contact list from here to which you want to set the AI assistant as well as the AI assistant from this drop down and click on the save button. So this is how easily you can assign an AI assistant to all of your contacts. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your own contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. So to do this, you need to go in this contacts feature and click on this plus add contacts button. And you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. Now the setup and the creation of our AI assistant is fully completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing human-like sales agent, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing human-like sales agent for your own businesses too and give the real boost to your business that they really need. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offer. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.